been a while since I've ever done AMD. I don't know, I just like the price was pretty good. That's the reason why I went with RYZEN. And it's a Ryzen 5, 6-core, 12 threads, so it ought to be pretty fast. We're going to use an MSI board, as you're seeing right here. MSI, it's A320. So you can't overclock any of this, overclock this board. So we're not really looking to do that right now. Maybe later when we upgrade, we'll upgrade to a different board that we can overclock our processor, our memory, stuff like that. But right now, we just want something stable to run good, do some video editing, gaming, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get this started.
Yep. I'm ready.
You're ready. All right. Okay, we're gonna bring the camera closer and we're gonna show you what we're gonna unbox here, and you'll get to see what it looks like. Okay. And we're back. Now we're gonna do some unboxings. Haha. First thing we ought to do is what should we unbox? I said the motherboard. We'll unbox the motherboard. Back of it anyway. So anyway, it comes with a little IO shield. Put it on the back of the case, that way your board can fit into it.
Oh, instructions.
Yep. Got your instructions, your driver disc, which I always get all my drivers off the website anyway. Quick start guide. Anyway, everybody knows
the little advice instructions.
I'll sit on the board. Just like so. There's the motherboard. Inside. Light glare off of it. Yep. Cool. Yeah, on the heatsink. And here's the processor itself. I'm going to take it out of the package. Book, all that good stuff. Set aside. There's your RYZEN 6-core, 12 thread. Back side. Got little pins on it. Gotta be careful not to bend the pins. Bend the pins. Yeah, they're hard to straighten back out. You don't want to do that. No bending. And now for the heatsink. Oh yeah. Check this little bugger out. Well, this is one we gotta be careful with. Pull it straight out. You see it's got the compound on the bottom end of it. It's already got thermal compound on the back of it, so we don't have to apply any on the processor. We're just gonna put it on just like that. Alrighty, move all that stuff out of the way. Now we gotta take off the 4 screws. But we're not gonna need them because this heatsink already has 4 screws on it, and they're spring loaded so you can't over tighten it. So we're gonna take it easy. Careful not to touch anything on that board, just the screws on them. As I did, that's kind of like, you know, that way don't pick the board up either. See how it's got the little 4 things you see right there? There's a plate behind that. The plate will fall off and you have to put it back on there. Gotta have a steady hand. Don't touch the funny bone!
No, it was getting all magnetic like.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got magnetism on it. It'll hold the screw pretty good. Anyway, while she's doing that one, I'm going to put the processor in on this one here. So, if you notice, on here there is a triangle right there. I'm going to take that triangle and match it up with the triangle on the socket. Be careful not to touch this thing all over the place because you really don't want oily fingers all over the die. And you should be able just to drop this in there. You got to pull a little lever up, all the way up. Line the triangles up, like so. Give a little wiggle, make sure it dropped in. Zero insertion, and then close the lever back down, and you're set. Yeah, I know, mine did too. You're doing good. First build. Yay. We're not going to need it anymore. What I'm going to do now is take that triangle, put it with that triangle right there. It'll come out. Don't drop it. Yeah, there you go. There's no pushing. Gotta drop in there. Nope, I didn't do that. There you go. Now just move it around a little bit, make sure it's seated. No, don't touch that. Just on the sides. Yeah, that's in there. And you just close the lever down. Then you might have to hang on the board. You can hang on these right up here where it's grounded.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. And move it over. There you go. Boom! Awesome. Cool. Now the fun part's put the big one on.
Oh boy.
Yeah. I'll just let you watch me what I'm doing. Just gonna line this up. Let's see, wrong way. Only gonna go two ways. Either gonna go this way, or you can turn around and go that way with it, because the way it's set up, it's not really a complete, and on the camera, it's not a complete square, it's more like a rectangle. So it only goes two different ways. I'm gonna put it this way because my fan header's up here, so I can route the wires in that direction. So I'm just gonna put the screws in there, like so. Woo! You know what? Now we gotta plug in the fan header. And I do believe it only goes one way. Yeah, see the little slot right here? And you see the little thing sticking up on the other side there? You just kind of slide it in there. There we go. And tuck this away. Like a shovel. Maybe? Yeah, that'll work. And today we're using Vegeance LPX. Looks pretty cool. Got a heat spreader on it. Dang, pain in the butt getting out of the package. Okay, there we go. Oh, that looks cool. Check that out. Corsair. This dude just line it up with that slot and that little deal right there. Put it in the slots, both sides. Get in there even. And when you go to push down, you hear a click. Once you hear that double click, you remember it's seated on both sides. Yeah, just grab it with both hands. One on this side, yeah, one on that side. in. Take these things off. Y'all just time lapse the rest of this.
Don't touch. Don't peel. Oh, even though it's very tempting.
Oh, I know. I'm tempted to do it too.
The plastic is annoying me.
I'll wait until the end.
The plastic is annoying me. I want to peel it off. You mean so we aren't tempted to peel off the thing? Because it's bugging me and I want to peel it off.
Let's see. Oh, that's the other case fan. I'm going to drop this bad boy in here like so. Don't touch the funny bone. And we're going to line it up. This is the hard part. Just trying to line this stupid thing up with all these gaskets on here on the back side.